Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna bring you this helmet from my partner Nexx, the X.WRL 2022 model, and as you can see it is an adventure helmet, and this is the one that I will be using on the Portuguese event in the end of the year around the Portugal north to south off-road. Definitely I just need to equip it better because I will still need the camera and microphone and all that stuff in this helmet, and I have to figure out how to do that. But look how beautiful the helmet is. It's a very lightweight helmet, 1250 grams, so I do like it. It's very light. This is not a review, it's just a presentation. I just received it yesterday. What's inside of the box? We do have two visors. This one, which is the one I like most, transparent one, normal, pin lock, and a bag with several stuff. I didn't open it yet, but I'm pretty sure there will be a cover for this opening here. I hope so, so it has less air inside, because I do need to record the videos for you, so the less air I have inside this area, better for me. We do have this peak here, which is nice. Okay, it is adjustable, I do like it. So as you can see, very nice. This peak also, it's easy to remove. You have two screws on the side and one on the top. Either you can use a screwdriver or a coin, just unattach it and remove everything. So the system is nice. Here on the bottom we do have this holder for the bottlenecks. Okay, so if you have a water bottle you can hold it here. So everything inside, it's very nice and very comfortable. I'm gonna give it a few more days before I do the full review on the helmet, because I want to see how the air flows inside, how's the ventilation inside, and all that stuff. Having said this, guys, I really hope that you do like this presentation. Don't forget my partnership with CarTrack, the GPS tracker for motorcycles. There's a link down in the description that gives you the first month free. It only works in Portugal, but it's the best I can do. And now I'm gonna put my helmet and say my final words, which usually are: don't forget, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell to receive my future videos, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!